Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate message request on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all, we can go to our profile. So we can tap on this profile icon and tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen, and we have to go to the settings and privacy. And after the settings and privacy has been opened, we can click on messages and story replies right here. And here you can activate the message request. You can click on message controls. And on this others on Instagram, you have to click on this option and click on message request. Okay, and you will get this question and click on update settings. Okay, and now the message request has been activated. And that's how we can activate message request on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.